Scottsdale, and they have a bike path. It's like somewhere around 11 to 15 miles. These little offshoots through kind of a drainage, irrigation canal area.
Wash area,
area. So
and we enjoyed the bike path, the green belt in Boise so much we thought we'd give this one a shot.
Yeah, I don't think this one has as much stuff along it, but we'll see.
Come along. We parked our truck and got on at the McCormick-Stillman Railroad Park, but there are tons of places and tons of parks where you can park your car and get on their green belt or bike path or shared path, whatever you want to call it. Lots of families out today on this beautiful Saturday afternoon. They even have a carousel. This is the model railroad building. You can go in there and look at all kinds of model trains. So cool. They also have a train ride, but I'm on my bike, so can't get on the sidewalk there. This is also part of the Greenbelt. It's along the canal though. Right, this part's right off Indian School Road. And that's also where OHSO Brewing Company is also at, an eatery. They have dog treats and the water station is open 24/7. So even if the restaurant's closed, you can walk in the back and they have a basket that's filled with treats and buckets of water. So very, very dog friendly, the back patio is. Sorry, dog. Here's always a bunch of other dogs. This is macaroni and cheese with shrimp and crab and bacon and jalapenos on the side, but they normally come on it. And this is a buffalo chicken dip.
Ooh.
Nice.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah. Hey guys, I am going to be taking Bill to the Peralta Trail trailhead, and he is going to go out overnight, and maybe he'll find us the Lost Dutchman gold mine.
At least that's the plan. I've told him to not leave a rock uncovered or unturned to see if he can find it and get us rich quick. But honestly, I don't hold out too much hope, because this is a guy who can't find the ketchup bottle in the refrigerator. But he's going to have a blast. He's going to have a great time, whether he finds the treasure or he doesn't. Oh, you don't know what the Lost Dutchman mine is? Check out the video above. I tell you a little bit about the history in last week's video when we go to Apache Trail Highway, and over to McCormick Mountain Regional Park. I also give you a little bit of the history of the saguaro cactus. So check that out if you haven't already. But subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and hit the bell, because next week we're going to Lajitas. This week we're in the Sonoran Desert. Next week the Chihuahuan. So we hope you'll travel with us. But let's go see if we can find us some treasure.
Probably. That group's already headed
I'm
out.
headed up into the Superstition Wilderness. There's a couple trails, Lost Dutchman, Charlie Boy, and I'll probably come out on the Peralta Trail. It's about probably a 16 to 18 mile loop.
And you're staying out for 2 weeks, right?
Staying out for 2 weeks, yeah. I'm going to go a mile a day. Mile and a half a day.
And it's just an overnighter.
Clip this on. Should have a clip here. Yep, there it is. Love you, beautiful.
Love you too, babe. Have fun.
I will. You be careful. Bye, Scouters. Keep mommy.
You'll keep me in line.
So here's the trail. Been at about a mile and a half or so. Of course, most of it was uphill, about maybe a 1,500 foot elevation over this. But this is what it looks like up here. I'm on the Bluff Springs Trail right now. There is water in the mountains, in the desert, mostly because there's been a rain and the snow. But they said, talking to a few guys and a Forest Service guy on the trail, a lot of years there hasn't been much. Few springs, and you had to know where they were. Let's gorgeous up in here. Sure is different. Look at that formation. You could sure tell when you get out of the desert and into a little spot that either has a lot of subsurface water or it's just cool. Just walked out of wide open, just cactus and everything into this. Sometimes when you need some water, you take what you can find. Found this little pocket in a rock. There's a little more too. I'm not out or anything, but I wanted to top off so I can camp. Well, it looks like tea, but it's supposed to be drinkable. Here's my campsite last night. Starting to get stuff around and cook breakfast. Here's the view out the back of the tent. Well, good thing this morning, first thing, run into a water source. This is Fremont Saddle, I believe. Been walking all morning to get here. And the way I came was way on the other side of that. And all the way up through here. So, it's been a long morning. Here's the saddle. And then I've got to get way down in there someplace. These are some rock formations up near the top of the Peralta Trail.